Siwoo, can you use this expression to people? High maintenance. Yes, you can. High maintenance. We often describe people who need things to be perfect as high maintenance. So, if I needed a really expensive car to drive around, only expensive cars, I might be called high maintenance. If I need to dress in only the best clothing, I might be high maintenance. And it's even worse if that person doesn't pay for their clothes, for their cars, high maintenance. So we might also call them very picky, but it usually means it costs a lot of money to make them happy. High maintenance costs a lot of money to make people who are high maintenance happy.